Happy today, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to make a tropical fruit smoothie. And it's just a frozen fruit in the bag, and I've added a half a banana. I have a cup of vanilla yogurt. That's Greek yogurt. I have 3/4 almond milk, and this is the cup I'll be blending in. I'll be right back when I put it all in. Okay, I've added it into my cup, and there is a fill line. Let me let you see. It's up to my fill line. I'm going to put it on the blender, and I'm going to mix it. I'm going to put it on pause because it's going to be so loud, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, a tropical fruit smoothie. Thanks for hanging out. Hope that it was as much fun for you as it was for me. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, be well.